Here I am back from my walk. It's about 6:45. I'm gonna trim some of this kale and some of this lettuce and make a salad. So here I am in the kitchen. I'm getting ready to whip up my favorite salad to take to work. It has chopped pecans, craisins, grilled chicken, and I know you're gonna think I'm sponsored, but I'm not. Springer Mountain Farms, you guys. If you have this in your area and you see it go on sale or go to their website, you can get $1.50 coupons. You really have to try this if you like to have pre-cooked chicken on hand and you're not into prepping. I'm into prepping, but I got such a good deal on this chicken a couple of months ago that I really stocked up, so I don't need to cook right now. And oh my gosh, I just love it. So long story short, I then put the chicken in the container, and this is what really makes it amazing. And I know this pear looks terrible, but it's actually still usable. It's my last one in the bag I bought. So I chopped that up, minus the peel. So the pear, the chicken, the nuts and craisins go in the bottom. Then I put all the lettuce on top. And what really makes this salad sing is I top it with a maple vinaigrette. And I will put a recipe in the description box down below for you. You guys have to try that. It's good on just about any salad, but especially this one. And so the reason why I built this salad kind of upside down is then when I get to work, I dump this into a big ceramic bowl, and then I pour my dressing and top it with some blue cheese or feta cheese crumbles. I just keep a tub of that at work. And that way my salad comes out with all the goodies on top. And I can't even tell you how much I enjoy that. And just to review my little morning good for me routine, I take a scoop of this whey protein powder. It's unflavored, which is the way I like it, because then if I want a flavor, I can add a sugar-free coffee syrup of my choice. And I can also use it in recipes. And a scoop of the collagen protein. And between the two, this is 10 grams for a scoop and this is 25. So that's 35 grams of protein. And then I do half a scoop of BCAAs, and I just used my last half a scoop, dang it. And a teaspoon of the potassium powder that if you watched the previous video I talked about. So I mix the potassium and the BCAAs with water, and I drink that with my supplements there. And I'm out of ALA and CoQ10, so I need to get on Amazon today and order those. I'm also gonna order another tub of that. And I drink my coffee in the car. But this combo, you guys, it will not only kick off your day with a good amount of protein without having to sit down with a knife and fork or whatever. Relatively low calorie. I think it's about 170 calories total. Yeah, between the two scoops and a little cream. But that will kill your appetite for hours and really help you build muscle if you're trying to. Of course, we all are, right? Who doesn't want to have good muscle tone? And the BCAAs in combo with these supplements, it gives me so much more energy for the day. I can't even begin to tell you what a difference that makes in my world. So yeah, that's what I'm doing this morning. Hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.